In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to template tasks in ClickUp. Use automations to standardize your process. 5 minutes. First, sign into your ClickUp workspace so you're on the space, folder, or list where your work lives. We're going to start by building a single perfect task that represents your process. Open a new task and add everything you want your team to repeat every time. That can include a clear description, subtasks with owners and estimates, custom fields, checklists, priorities, and even optional assignees. Think of this as your blueprint. Use generic wording or placeholders in the description so the task is easy to adapt, and only include due dates if you want those to copy forward or be set relatively. When your task looks exactly right, open the ellipsis menu in the top right of the task, choose Templates, and select Save as Template. Give it a clear, memorable name, then set who can use it with sharing options. Next, choose what to include. When the template is applied, you can import subtasks, attachments, checklists, and more. If you don't want people auto-assigned or dates carried over, uncheck those items now. This keeps your template flexible across different projects. With the template saved, it's time to automate it so it applies itself. Go to the space folder or list where you want this standard to run and click the Automate button or the lightning bolt icon. Pick Create Automation to start a new rule. For your trigger, choose when a task is created. This tells ClickUp to watch for new tasks at this level. Now add the action. Click the plus icon and select Apply Template. Choose the template you just saved. This connects the moment a task is created with the automatic application of your standardized structure. To keep things precise, add conditions so the automation only fires when it should. For example, you might require a certain tag, a specific list, a status, or a custom field value. Conditions are optional, but they're great for teams with multiple workflows living side by side. Finally, give your automation a clear name like Auto Apply Task Template on Create and click Create. From now on, any new task that meets your trigger and conditions will instantly receive your template's descriptions, subtasks, fields, and checklists, keeping every task consistent and ready to work. If something changes in your process, update the original template and your automation will keep everyone aligned without extra effort. That's it. Your process is now templatized and automated in ClickUp, so your team can move faster with less manual setup every time.